Introduction to hypervisors, Type 1 versus Type 2. A hypervisor is the core technology that enables virtualization. It allows multiple virtual machines to run on a single physical system by managing their access to the hardware. Hypervisors are essential for cloud computing, data centers, and virtualized environments. There are two main types of hypervisors, Type 1, bare metal, and Type 2, hosted. Type 1 hypervisors, bare metal. Type 1 hypervisors run directly on the hardware without requiring a host operating system. Because they interact with the hardware at a low level, they offer better performance, scalability, and security. Common examples of Type 1 hypervisors include VMware ESXi, used in enterprise environments for large-scale virtualization. Microsoft Hyper-V, a built-in option for Windows Server. KVM, kernel-based virtual machine, a popular choice for Linux-based virtualization. These hypervisors are typically used in data centers, cloud platforms, and enterprise IT environments where performance and reliability are critical. Type 2 hypervisors hosted. Type 2 hypervisors run on top of an existing operating system like Windows, macOS, or Linux. They are easier to install and use, making them ideal for personal computers, software development, and testing environments. Common examples of Type 2 hypervisors include VirtualBox, a free, open-source option with broad OS support. VMware Workstation, a powerful tool for running multiple VMs on a desktop. Parallels Desktop, designed for running Windows on Mac OS. Since Type 2 hypervisors rely on the host OS, they may experience slightly lower performance compared to Type 1 hypervisors, especially for resource-intensive tasks. Key differences between Type 1 and Type 2 hypervisors. 1. Performance. Type 1 hypervisors are faster since they run directly on hardware. Type 2 hypervisors depend on the host OS, making them slightly slower. 2. Use cases. Type 1 is preferred for enterprise environments and data centers, while Type 2 is best for personal use, testing, and development. 3. Security. Type 1 hypervisors offer better isolation and security since they don't depend on a host OS. Type 2 hypervisors inherit any vulnerabilities from the underlying operating system. Which hypervisor should you use? For enterprise-grade virtualization, Type 1 hypervisors like VMware ESXi or Hyper-V are the best choice. For home users, students, and developers, Type 2 hypervisors like VirtualBox and VMware Workstation are more practical. Both types play a vital role in virtualization. Understanding their differences helps in choosing the right solution based on your needs.